Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Essential pentosuria. So what is present here? First is the glucose. It starts with the glucose. That is a uronic acid pathway. Uronic acid pathway. So starting with the glucose, and then it goes to the UDP glucose. Next is the UDP glucuronic acid. Glucuronic acid. Then it leads to the D-glucuronic acid and also the L-xylulose. So L-xylulose is converted to the xylitol, then the D-xylulose and the D-xylulose 5-phosphate, and ultimately it leads to the HMP. So glucose, UDP glucose, UDP glucuronic acid, D-glucuronic acid, L-xylulose, the xylitol, D-xylulose, D-xylulose 5-phosphate, the HMS pathway, that is the hexose monophosphate shunt pathway. So when you look at the glucuronic acid, it is 6 molecules. So let's break down some steps. So D-glucuronic acid, it is made up of 6 carbon molecules. Then the L-xylulose, it is made up of 5 carbon molecules. So here, between the conversion of the D-glucuronic acid to the L-xylulose, there is a 6 molecule of the and 5 molecule. So there is a decrease in CO2. Next is in the step of UDP to UDP glucuronic acid. So here the glucuronic acid gets donated for the toxification reaction is seen. Then in the step where there is L-xylulose to that of the xylulose. So L-xylulose conversion to the xylulose, there is a presence of the xylulose reductase. So what is special about this xylulose reductase? So this xylulose reductase is it may result in the enzyme deficiency. It causes the essential proteinuria. So essential pentosuria. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.